Today we're having something nice and easy. It's called spaghetti with olive oil and garlic. So easy, listen to it.
Yeah, we're cooking the garlic.
Fresh bread from the bakery. And I helped.
Oh, thank you.
Garlic and olive oil, is it?
Yeah, we're going to brown that a little bit. We're going to start the pasta here.
That's easy, right? Ready? Chopped it up a little bit. Almost ready. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Let me put some spaghetti on our plates.
Spaghetti me. One. Mine.
That's yours.
This one yours?
This is mine.
Figured it out. Now we have this topping.
The good part. We
Here
have
it is.
a little olive oil with the roasted garlic on each plate, and then we'll dress it with some nice olive oil on top. Look at that.
That's good. In a cast iron pan.
In a cast iron pan, nice and hot. We're going to take our favorite olive oil here, and I'll dress it up. Because it's going to run through the garlic onto the pasta. Wow. Then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Right?
Yeah. Then I'm gonna eat.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
You gonna eat with us? Gonna do cheese now? I'll do my own cheese. It's fun.
I'd like to sprinkle some
All
on
right.
while
Go
let it
ahead,
melt.
come on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm ready.
I'm sure you can add more if you want to.
I'm sure I could. Join us. Boil some spaghetti. Could have put sauce on it. We didn't know what to have today. We thought sandwiches are so easy and convenient, and but we did it so many times and something different. We saw a picture of spaghetti in our travels today. That's what we're gonna have because we have it.
You've made us hungry for it.
And she said we don't have sausage or hamburger for meatballs, so we use garlic and olive oil or butter.
Yeah, would you like me to make a slice for you?
Sure. And is this called something other than spaghetti and olive oil and garlic?
Pasta.
If you had shrimp, it would be called shrimp scampi.
Oh, yeah, we could do it that way.
But that would change the whole name of it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
With garlic and
Well,
butter.
we would probably cook the shrimp in garlic first and then add it to pasta.
Yes.
Some
Still
people
didn't
like rice.
Still didn't get my electric spinning fork. Here we go.
Ooh, that garlic smells so good. This is organic garlic and it's fresh. Really good, huh?
It's delicious. Good Friday night supper during a heat wave. We could eat outside if we wanted to, but why? It's 91 right now. Yours good? It's good.
Asiago cheese this time.
Oh, sprinkle. This one?
Yeah. Good flavor.
Yeah. Dip your bread in there, right? From the bakery.
We might need a little more olive oil on here.
I think I have enough. You could put butter on it too. Well, you got the olive oil right there. There's spaghetti in my bread. That's a good idea. Well, you could do that with sauce too. Tomato sauce.
Right?
Ice water for a heat wave.
Drink lots of water. We just heard a story this morning about a person who drank iced tea all the time. And they got dehydrated because they didn't have enough just water.
They thought they drank enough. He said, do you drink water? I drink eight glasses of iced tea a day. I said, well, I would think that's water too, because it is.
But the
But
doctor
the tea,
told
the caffeine
them,
in the tea.
right, the doctor told them that that kind of dehydrates you, that kind of thing. So
Yes.
even though you drink a lot of liquids, it's always good to keep drinking water,
And
especially
coffee
in
would too, right?
a heat wave.
Yeah, regular water. We're made up of water, certain percentage. Are you eating with us? You want some? You like spaghetti, don't you?
Uh-oh.
Do you? Look, do this. Don't do that. Do this. Oh.
You're making a mess here. Well, that's something new.
It's the holiday.
That was easy.
You're going to show them your new thing?
I bet you can't guess what this is. It says warm wishes. Well, it says, wishing you happiness, sending joy. Hope this brings a smile to your face, is what the box says. Doesn't say
Yeah.
nothing else.
It's like a special gift box.
And what do you think it is? Stop back tomorrow and I'll show you, because I'm going to unbox it. And I'm going to record it. I'm going to show you tomorrow. What time tomorrow? Noon tomorrow, Saturday. Sometime in the afternoon, maybe. Maybe 5:30, like our normal times. But you might like what's in there.
Do you want them to send you what their guesses
Yeah,
are?
guess what it is. What do you think's in there? If one person is correct, you'll be right. I'll give you a hint. It costs like $30 or something like that. And I bought it for myself. Butter and fresh bread is so delicious. Ain't it?
Oh, yeah, it is.
On top of spaghetti. Did we ever sing that?
I think so.
All covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball. You know the rest?
Mm-hmm.
We'll wait.
When somebody sneezes.
Yay! I don't like that idea. Losing a meatball because of a sneeze. Could have had a salad, but we're gonna have a salad. We forgot, right?
Right.
It's okay. This is enough. Plus, we had 2 steaks we were gonna have, but this is enough, right? And simple and easy. And we're glad you're here. And we got 2 lottery tickets. These lottery tickets. This is the one where I won $500, and I won 100 one time, right? And 50, and these are good winners.
Yeah, I hope they are
I
today.
hope you get to witness this. Is a top prize of $500,000. That'd be so nice. 2 of them I got. They're my favorite ones.
That's good.
But I had coins. Yeah, they're coins. Pick one.
Plunk.
And this app is working off and on, and on and off, and off. It's not working. Sometimes it does. Hers always works. I don't know why. Mine don't.
The Pennsylvania Lottery app.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
They upgraded it once, and once they did it, it never worked right again.
Let's see, what are we going to win here? Green. Extreme green. That's what we like. Extreme green.
We'd like to see 500,000. I would love that. I'd retire right now, I'd never go back to that place ever. No, I wouldn't even say goodbye. I mean, text them or something. But there's nothing there I need.
Sorry.
Still have a chance.
Yep, bring it home. Bring it home.
Cross your fingers. You too.
That's a no.
Ooh, this toasty garlic. I made that. Look at that. Toasty. Toasty. Not too much. You don't want to get it burnt because then it gets bitter, right? Just toasty is like so good. With
have to-
olive oil or butter.
We have to go out and water our garden today.
Yeah, oh
Because
boy.
we're growing all kinds of stuff this year.
We might even make sauce, right? If we have enough tomatoes. We got a lot of tomato plants. Although we're supposed to have a big storm today. That will take care of the watering. Let me see what it says here. Mm-hmm. 25% chance. Oh, 30%.
I think we should water
No.
it, especially being
Well,
this hot out
It
today.
might though. Let me look at the radar. No, it's not even near us. But they sneak up on you, you know. We're so happy you were here today to enjoy this with us, and we hope you make it too, because it's so easy. It doesn't cost much. How much is spaghetti these days? It's $1?
About that.
Sometimes. We have all different shapes over there. Simple, easy. Change it up however you like it. You could have put broccoli on there, on yours.
Right, but it would have been a good idea to have a salad. We'll have to have one tomorrow.
For dessert. Here's your dessert salad. I would have put bacon on there, crumbled it all up crispy. Spaghetti and bacon. Doesn't that sound good? All right, have a good weekend. Check Kathy's channel again. Check my second channel, Media Giant. And stop back tomorrow to see what this is. You're really going to like it. Because I'm going to like it. I can't wait to open it. And guess. Let me hear your guesses down there. And please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
This is going to fill me up too. Look at that garlic. I love it. Thank you.